And we're in the fire position, and yeah, the trigger pulls but does not fire, and you can see that we have some unsprung trigger stuff. Well, one thing right off the bat, I can see that the trigger spring is missing. So what we've got is we've got this screw, and this is our timing rocker and our timing rocker spring. So we're forked here, and this articulates back and forth and up and down. All right, so cock the gun, fires, fire.
Hi, and welcome to Over the Gunsmith's Shoulder. I'm Gene Kelly, president of the American Gunsmithing Institute, and in this segment, Master Gunsmith Ken Brooks is going to walk you step by step through a gunsmithing repair. You're going to learn a lot. And if you'd like to learn to be a certified professional gunsmith, then go to AmericanGunsmithingInstitute.com and request an information package. Now let's learn from Ken.
Well, we're back with an over-the-shoulder camera from the camera guy back here. And today we got a Winchester 74. And the tag says that the trigger won't work. So let's see what's going on. First things first, it's empty. And I can see the follower, so I know there's not any shells in the magazine tube. I'm going to go ahead and take the magazine tube out. It won't pull straight out. You got to rotate it, which would be counterclockwise. And then it comes right out. And we're in the fire position, and yeah, the trigger pulls but does not fire, and you can see that we have some unsprung trigger stuff. So this has been re-blued, and I would guess, and it's just a guess, that somebody's put it back together wrong. So let's take it apart and see what we can see. Well, one thing right off the bat, I can see that the trigger spring is missing. Fits over the magazine tube here and comes back and spring loads the trigger forward here, down there. And then when this is cocked, this should, well, they're sort of fired, but this isn't right. And so our carrier rocker spring is not doing what it's supposed to. Let me take my glasses off here. Okay, we have this little spring right here that actually fits all the way back and is underneath the screw right there. Well, that leg is supposed to fit in this groove on top of this piece right here. So we are assembled incorrectly. Let's see. If we can simply slide everything where it's supposed to be and put it back down in to the firearm. Come on now. I know my hands are in the way, guys. Hang on. I'll get to explaining what's going on here in just a minute. So what we've got is we've got this screw, and this is our timing rocker and our timing rocker spring. So I'm going to turn this around so hopefully you guys can see that a little better. We're forked here, and this articulates back and forth and up and down, and the screw retains the spring. Actually, I'm going to make sure that screw is in there snugged up. Then that spring comes forward and through right here. So before it was underneath the nose of this timing rocker. So now at this point, again, we fire. Now what I'm going to do is cycle it. I'm going to fire it, continue to hold the timing rocker down, cycle the gun. I think you can see the timing rocker move up. Now I release. We spring load back to our position and repeat. So this appears to be working. We're going to put that in the gun, but I want to get that trigger spring first, so you're going to have to wait a minute so we run up to parts, make sure I've got one. I'll be back in a minute. See you in just a second. Okay, so we're back, and I have a spring. I had one in stock. Usually these are relatively easy to install. You orient it here for you first. We got two little hooks at the end of the two legs, and those fit on top of the trigger right here, pushing it down. So it's spring-loaded forward. This end fits over the top of the magazine tube, underneath that pin. Slide it right back into place, just like that. Now we can, let me turn around here so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. All right, so cock the gun, fires. Now I'm going to pull the trigger and hold the trigger back, cycle the bolt, release the trigger, heard it click, reconnected. So we are disconnecting and operating as we should. Now with the gun cocked, push the safety on, and we function. The safety functions correctly. So the gun was here for the trigger doesn't work. We've made the trigger work. We fixed the two things that will make the trigger function as it should. Granted, it was missing the spring and it was just assembled wrong, but it now functions from what we know. It functions as it should. This is one we can put some dummies in and hand cycle them here to double check. I'm not going to do that. I am going to take this to the range and shoot it though. I want to make sure that the gun does function, you know, that the customer didn't miss something or misexplain what they wanted done. So, you know, the trigger not working to them can correlate into a whole bunch of different things. Whereas us, it means the trigger doesn't function. It has nothing to do with feeding or extraction. But I'm going to take this to the range and put 5 rounds in the magazine, make sure it shoots, bang, 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 bang. As long as it extracts and ejects, I'm good to go and get it back to the customer. I probably could go through the gun and do other things to make it better, but they didn't ask for that. They didn't, you know, if it malfunctions, then I'm start making the phone call. Hey, I got the trigger working, but it doesn't extract and eject correctly. Do you want me to address that? But I don't want to just do that right off the top without them, you know, giving me the go-ahead, giving me the okay. You know, people don't want a $500 bill when they're expecting a $40 bill, right? So, all right, I'm going to get this going, and we will see you guys next time.
If you want to learn real gunsmithing and see more videos like this, be sure and like and subscribe so you don't miss out. If you're interested in training to be a real gunsmith, go check out the AmericanGunsmithinginstitute.com, or for your own firearms training, AmericanGunsmith.com.